Well, if you're looking for something to do with the kids this spooky season, something else other than what we've been talking about, look no further than Wild Bird Rescue. They're set to have their annual Owl-O-Ween event.
That sounds cute. Now, the executive director for Wild Bird Rescue, Jeff Bryant, says this event is perfect for kids to get an up-close and personal look at all the birds they have on campus, all while getting some free candy, too. Bryant adds this is also a good chance to check out all the renovations and upgrades they've made to the facility that he says couldn't have been possible without the generous volunteers they have helping each and every day.
Well, we have a wonderful core of volunteers that come out here. And so and we're always asking people if you'd like to volunteer. It doesn't make a difference if you want to handle the birds, or you want to feed the birds, or you want to come out and do social media stuff for us, or you want to come out and do some of the projects and the building projects. We're always inviting the public to come out and volunteer.
Owl-O-Ween will be kicking off October 26th at Wild Bird Rescue at Lakeshore Drive, right there from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Your kids are encouraged to wear their costumes too and bring those bags to collect free candy. If you'd like more information on this event, all you have to do is click inside the story over on our website.
Also,